What if I told you your email verification tool is hiding valid leads from you? Not a few, potentially 20 to 30% of your entire list. Every campaign you have run through Rion, Never Bounce or Zero Bounce, there is a good chance a significant chunk of real deliverable email addresses got marked as unknown, catch-all or risky and you never emailed them. You didn't lose those leads to competition. You threw them away yourself. Today I'm going to show you exactly why that happens and the tool I switched to that actually recovers those leads instead of wasting them. To understand why this matters, you need to understand what actually catch-all email is. A catch-all domain is a domain configured to accept every incoming email, regardless of whether the specific inbox exists or not. So if you email john.smith@domain.com and the inbox doesn't exist, the server still accepts it. No bounce back, no error. This is incredibly common in B2B. A lot of mid-sized companies configure their domain like that. Now here is the problem. The most verification tool, Rion, bouncebye, Zero Bounce, try to verify an email on a catch-all domain. They do a SMTP check. They ping the server and ask, does this email exist? The server says yes to everything because it's a catch-all domain. So the tool can't say the email is real or not. What do? They mark that email as unknown or catch-all or risky and hand it back to you. Same thing happens with emails protected by security gateways like Proofpoint or Mimecast. The gateway blocks the verification ping entirely. Tool marks it risky. You never email it. On a typical B2B list, 20 to 30% of your contacts fall in this category, unknown or catch-all. You just paid for those leads, you enriched and personalized them in Clay, and then your verification tool told you to throw them away. Forget about all technical things and let me show you my screen where I'm going to verify a same list with two different tools. One is Rion and another is bouncebye, and let's see the results. Okay, this is a list of I just recently exported from Apollo, and as you can see there is one close to 2000 leads. So I'm going to download this as CSV, and first I'm going to use Rion, that is the most popular tool right now. So let me start with, where is this, email verification, choose file, and this is the file, start verification. And go to the task detail. At the same time, I'm going to use bouncebye, bulk verification, select file, same file, and this is the column I have to select, start verification. So let's wait and let's see the results in few seconds or maybe few minutes. As you can see, it's 98% done already. And okay, as you can see, catch-all 167, disposable 2, spam trap 4, invalid 12, and the dangerous one is unknown is 500, and yeah, it's done already. So unknown is 714. So obviously I'm going to use only the valid one. It's 992. So these are all the wasted emails. So let's see approach from bouncebye. Let's wait for this. Sometimes it will take time. For some list it will take time. Let bouncebye do the work, and in the meantime let me tell you how exactly bouncebye works. Bouncebye takes a fundamentally different approach to catch-all and unknown emails. Instead of SMTP ping and giving up when the server returns an ambiguous response, bouncebye uses a manual sending verification system. What that means is, for catch-all and unknown emails, bouncebye actually tests deliverability by sending a verification signal to the address, not your campaign email. A verification process that determines whether that specific inbox is real and active without touching your domain reputation. The result is two clean output, valid and invalid. No confusion, no other results. Okay, here is the result, and as you can see, it's a massive difference. 992 valid emails that I'm going to use if I use Rion, but if I'm using bouncebye, I get 1000 895 emails and 72 invalid only. This is big, really big. I mean, it's a double of the result. It's 900 and it's 1800. This is not going to happen for every list. As I mentioned, it's always the margin like 20 to 30% emails you are getting more of them. But this is 50%, I mean 100% difference. That is 900 and 1800. This is unusual and I'm seeing this very first time. But if you ask me how about the bounce rate if I'm using bouncebye, let me show you my completed campaign. I always get 2% bounce rate. As you can see, from 570 it's only one email that is bounced, and all these emails are verified from bouncebye. And as I showed you already, as you can see, this is one of my active campaign, 2000 leads, already 1688 sent and only 0.6% bounce rate. It's 12 only. So that's how I use bouncebye and get more leads. Just assume yourself here you are only sending emails to these 992 people and missing more 900 people that you are not sending emails. Maybe from those 900 people you are going to get your most warm leads. Most people treat email verification as a checklist. Upload list, remove the obvious and bad ones, and move on. What they don't realize is that the tool they're using hiding a significant portion of their valid lead inside. Bouncebye removes that problem entirely. Valid or invalid, clean result, more usable leads from the same list. Use the link in the description and get free credits to try some of your list, and let me know if you are getting better results and more leads for your campaign from the same list. Thank you so much.